In this video, I will show you how to reset the Microsoft Office licensing status using a built-in Microsoft tool. First, open File Explorer and go to Local Disk C. Open the program files. Next, open the Microsoft Office folder. Now, open the folder named Office 16. Inside this folder, right-click on OSPPREARM and select Run as Administrator. A command window will briefly open and close, indicating the process has completed. Restart your computer. After restarting, open Microsoft Word. This confirms that the Office license status has been reset.